Good morning to all. I am Prof.Manavalam. Now we are going to see about the discipline. Discipline, it is nothing but it is one type of force. It is mainly they are applying this force in order to promote the individual as well as the group to observe the rules and regulation. At the same time, the procedure whatever implemented or followed by the any type of organization. Mainly it is followed in educational institutions. It is very much essential for the effective functioning of any type of organization. The meaning for discipline. Discipline, it is derived from disciples and discipere. Disciples in the means pupils. Discipere means to comprehend the disciplinary instruction, and also it is comprehending the knowledge related to disciplinary action. Applying the disciplinary standard, it must be a consistent one. It is not it should not be changed according to the person. At the same time, it should be flexible according to the situation, not the person. And also it should be in a fair manner. Any type of disciplinary action or disciplinary rules and regulation laid down by any type of management, it will be fair to everyone, not for a single person or some of the person who are very needed to the management. So it is equal to everyone. Definition of the discipline. It is defined as the training or molding of the mind and character to bring about the desired behaviors. Discipline means it is not only giving a speech about the rules and regulation. It is also giving training to the new employees or students, those who are joining a particular organization. It helps to mold their mind through the training and is shaping the character in order to bring the desired behavior what the particular organization that expecting from that particular students or the employees. And also one more definition, it referring the working in accordance with the certain recognized rules, regulation and customs. Sometimes it may be written or it may be implicit in the way of character. Why we have to have the disciplinary rules and regulation in an organization? So in order to obtain a willingness to accept the rules and regulation as well as the procedure followed by the organization, why we have to follow the rules and regulation or procedure developed or created by the organization means these rules and regulation mainly they are creating in order to attain the organizational goal. So we have to always the new employee or students they are joining a institution means we have to obtain a willingness to accept the rules and regulation. Second one is there is a different informal behavior patterns every person they will exhibit while they are entering into an organization. At the same time, every organization they are expecting certain type of informal behavior as a accepted behavior. Certain type of behavior they are not accepting as their own organizational behavior, or it is not appropriate to their culture and customs. So we have to impart the disciplinary committee person, they have to impart element of certainty despite of several differences in informal behavior patterns. So certain examples of informal behavior patterns are the way of they are dressing and how they are using their languages while working with the other person or the communication between the student and the teacher. So everything it should certain type of informal this kind of behavior is accepted if it is coming under the organization customs and culture. and at the same time to develop a spirit of tolerance and make the employee to have a adjustment with the organization rules and regulation as well as the procedure. For this, the discipline is very much important to give the direction how the individual they have to do their work in a organization and what are the responsibility they have to possess to complete the work in order to achieve the goal of particular organization. For this, important discipline is important. It is creating the atmosphere of respect of human personality and maintaining a human relations. If the human they are respecting with each other means automatically they work together through the efficiency of working which will be getting increased and the morale between the employees also which will be improved and ultimately they will achieve the goals of the organization. So for this purpose, the discipline is very much important for the educational institution or any type of organization. The types of discipline. There are two types of discipline. Self-controlled discipline, enforced discipline. Self-controlled discipline means here the employees they are bringing his or her behavior into an agreement with any organization where they have joined. They are making their behavior into officially accepted behavior. So that is called as a self-controlled behavior. They are controlling their behavior according to the organization where they belongs to that. Take as an example, the students they are joining in a particular institution for their studies means automatically the students they used to follow the dressing code, punctuality. So these are all the certain self-controlled discipline they have to follow. Next, enforced discipline. Enforced discipline, here the management they are enforcing their employee or their students to compliance with the organization rules and regulation. Take as an example, for making the students to punctual, they have to do the biometric attendance in the morning as well as in the evening. So here they are enforcing in order to bring the behavior of punctual. They are making them to do the biometric attendance in order to miss out the attendance of the students. Thank you all.